Alright, so the 7th of October was the date that Hamas attacked Israel. Now the question is what happened on the 7th of October a good excuse for Israel to do what it has done to Palestine for the last 2 years? Before we even address the question, we need to first address the concept of the Iron Wall. The Iron Wall is a massive barrier that is built between Gaza and Israel and is 40 miles long. The Iron Wall cost $1.1 billion to make. It is secured with sensors, cameras, and security systems in order to reduce any room for error, such as someone going over the wall or someone going into Gaza or out of Gaza. So the question is, with such a massive barricade, how could Hamas possibly exit Gaza and enter Israel on the 7th of October to commit the atrocities that they committed? Well, the answer to the question is this, that the barrier was laid dormant on that day by Israel, allowing Hamas to enter Israel to commit the crimes that they committed. And I also watched the uncensored video of Hamas on that day, which I found somewhere. It's not easy to find because it's not aired to the public for obvious reasons, because we're told things that aren't true in regards to what actually happened on that day. But regardless of that fact, the fact is Israel had the right to defend itself with the wall, and they let the wall's guard down and they let the enemy in to the city. And they did that on purpose in order to do what they've been doing ever since that day on the 7th of October. Not only that, but Israel itself had the plans, they had the foreknowledge, and they had the blueprints of the fact that Hamas intended to infiltrate Israel. So they knew 1 year in advance that this was going to happen, which now begs the question, was this a surprise? Was this a shock? And the answer is no, because this was precedented. It was not unprecedented. It was planned. It was set up. And everything that has happened since that day has happened on purpose.